Jaden and Joanna signing in. Today we are going to make an awesome craft work. Let's go! So now we are going to make the bird. For that we need
a big circle, a small circle, a rectangle, a triangle, a semicircle, and an eye.
And some glue and a paper. We need to fold the circle in half and then glue it. And then you need to cut it slanting ways and leave some gap right there. See, now look. You need to glue the element. And then you need to glue the eye. And then the beak. And then the tail. And then the foot. And now see, the bird is ready. I hope you all like this lovely bird. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!